Hello guys, this is Mohith and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox this Canon 70-200mm f2.8 IS2 lens. So let's get started. Let's open this. This is the inside. We have okay, yeah. So this is the lens. Comes with the bag. This is the bag. Oh, it's pretty nice. Let me just do this. And if you just put it like this, it's open. Ooh, what is this? Okay, so we have a strap. Ooh, so this is the beast. So let me just open this. This is the cap with the hood. You just keep the hood here. I don't know why I did that. Okay, this is beautiful. Wow, this is the zoom ring and this is the focus ring, and it's so smooth, so smooth. If you are using a kit lens, you will know how awkward the sound is, how loud the sound is. But this one is beautiful. It's very smooth. And let's open the. Okay. There's some protection, and open the cover, the hood. Let me just open the cap. Yeah, cool. So this is how it looks, how big it looks with the hood on. Let me just fix this to my camera and see how it looks with the camera. And just give it a turn. I love that sound. Just turn, and when you hear that sound, drop it. This is how big it is. Always don't hold the camera, hold the lens. I wanted to get this for a very long time and I bought it now. It cost me around 1,20,000 or something. It's really worth it. So yeah, that was the unboxing. If you're interested in fashion photography or you want to do candid wedding photography, this is a beautiful lens. If you have 1 lakh budget and if you want to buy a lens, this is it. Just go and buy this lens. So if you like this video, please give thumbs up and drop down your opinions in the comment box below. Also do watch my unboxing video on Canon 60 Mark II. Follow me on Instagram, the link is over here. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also watch my other videos.